Washington here. But from what you're hearing on the ground, what are people telling you about who is to blame for this?
We definitely hear it's the president. I mean, everyone kind of understands the southern border is wide open. But they also, I think, are not satisfied with how the state is handling the problem. Too much money is being thrown at the problem, but not enough reforms are being added. That's the big component. Is people are pretty compassionate to help the vulnerable in society, but it's unsustainable in the future. And our poll actually asked that question: do you think the state can continue to handle this migrant crisis the way it is? And the answer was overwhelming no. I think about 80%.
Hello guys! Happy Valentine's!
Yeah. Okay, Paul Diego Grady, thank you so much for joining us and giving us that insight. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Well, today is the day to show that special someone just how much you care by having ChatGPT try to lump them up now. You better be ready for some sticker shock, though. That's coming up next. Is it right now?
It's possible to go from struggle to cholesterol success with prescription Leqvio in glycerin. Given by a doctor for people who, along with diet and a statin, need help lowering their bad cholesterol, LDL-C. Common side effects were injection site reaction, joint pain, and chest cold. Results may vary. Visit Leqvio.com or call 1-833-537-8462. Ask your doctor about Leqvio. If only I got a dash cam.
Said Rosie anyone ever involved in a he said she said scenario. Now, if you want the best dash cam for your car, just get a Blackview with their 4K cloud dash cams. Not only feel safe at the wheel, but also away from your car. And if you hit wrong or break it, the Blackview instantly texts you and saves video evidence to the SD card and the cloud in real time. Don't kick yourself later. Get yours now at Blackview.com. That's BLACKVIEW.com. Use promo code XN30 for a special $30 discount on any dash cam.
At Stearns & Foster, your comfort is our everything. So we've made a mattress that's irresistible, inside and out. Every stitch, every layer is handcrafted using the finest materials, like indulgent memory foam and ultra-conforming IntelliCoils for coziness and support and your most comfortable sleep. Stearns & Foster, what comfort should be. Now for a limited time, save up to $800 on select adjustable mattress sets. Shop now at StearnsandFoster.com. Select adjustable mattresses only. Lesser savings may apply.
Do you regret purchasing your timeshare and would like help canceling the agreement and avoiding thousands of dollars in fees? Well, we can't help you with that. And maybe you shouldn't have bought it in the first place. But if your group health insurance cost is out of control, then you need ClaimDoc, a national medical claim auditing company. With ClaimDoc's Direct Access Plus, you can achieve 30% savings and richer benefits from a cost containment leader that prioritizes member experience and client satisfaction.
When you're still looking for love, Valentine's Day sucks. Every restaurant is fully booked. Suddenly, all chocolates are heart-shaped, and all the PDA. Thankfully, California Psychics can give you the guidance you need to find the one. We guarantee if your reading is life-changing, it's free. And new customers receive 20 minutes for just $20. Visit CaliforniaPsychics.com and experience the joy of soothing. California Psychics.
No tax refund belongs to you, not an identity thief. If your client is tax season, like help, our U.S.-based restoration specialist protects our dedicated to helping solve your identity theft issues. And all lifelong clients are backed by the $1 million protection package. So we'll be first in the company to claim identity theft. That's 21% serious like conduct and slavery from
Hello guys! Happy Valentine's! for stopping by.
But a couple of things are driving this price increase, right? What goes into chocolate? Cocoa. So there's been a crop shortage in Western Africa. That's driving up some of the prices. Look at some of this beautiful packaging too. The cost of that has gone up. Has to look good if you're going to give it to your honey. Another thing is labor.
Happy Valentine's.
But just because the prices are high, people are still spending. So take a look at some of these numbers. We're expecting sales to be roughly flat versus last year. They'll reach close to 26 billion. But later,
Happy Valentine's. All of you have a great Valentine's Day.
what are you seeing in terms of sales trends? Yeah, so we're seeing record highs with sales. We're seeing an increase in foot traffic. We're seeing an increase in orders. However, we are noticing that that average ticket price is going down. Being similar to that ratio. So, John, I think the takeaway is this is very much like the winter holidays where we saw record spending, but people went for the lower cost items, which for Ira is great news. You're going to see record sales with bonus that chocolate. Send it back to you.
There's a lot of cash for chocolate.
BMW 1111. 312 BMW 1111.
Hi, I'm Smokey Bear, and I made an assistant to help you out, because only you can prevent wildfires.
Hey, Assistant Smokey Bear. Call me Papa Bear, because I'm grilling up dinner. Do you get it?
Yes, good job.
So, what should I do with all these coals?
Don't just toss them out. Put them in a metal container because those embers can start a wildfire.
I understand. The stakes are high.
Ha, 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 ha.
Learn more at SmokeyBear.com.
Brought to you by the U.S. Forest Service, your state forester, and
apparently under pressure to ditch roses this Valentine's Day. So activists out there are attacking the romantic symbol as a driver of climate change, of course, suggesting that Americans should just pen a letter instead. Actually, personal experience, don't do that. A Washington Post opinion article tries to explain, quote, this fast-moving game of romantic commerce never stops. It's also absurd. The race required to provide a mass-produced bit of nature at any hour in any place for as little as $10 a dozen, I wish, contributes significantly to the destruction of nature itself. What about, like, potted plants? I mean, what about, like, a rose bush?
Yeah, something like that would be nice,
Yeah,
because it would
that could still
perpetuate,
be, exactly.
Or you could do the old Chat GPT Valentine's Day message. Every moment with you feels like a cherished gift. Happy Valentine's Day, my love. Boy, that's beautiful.
That's amazing, and we're going to send that off to Martha. That was our Valentine's Day poem to you, Martha McCallum.
That
Host
is
of the
so
Story Next.
heartfelt and beautiful. Thank you, guys. If there were no words, no way to speak, I would still hear you. If there were no tears, no way to feel inside, I'd still feel for you. And even if the sun refused to shine, even if romance ran out of rhyme, you would still have my heart until the end of time. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine. All of my life I have been waiting for all you give to me. You've opened my eyes and shown me how to love unselfishly. I dream of this 1,000 times before. In my dreams I couldn't love you more. I will give you my heart until the end of time. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine. Sometime you would still have my heart until the end of time. 'Cause all I need is you, my Valentine. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine. Thank you. Even if romance and every time, you would hold my heart until the end of time. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine. Na, 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 na. This time. How do I get through a night without you? If I had to live without you, what kind of life would that be? Oh, I need you in my arms, need you to hold. You're my world, my heart, my soul. If you ever leave, baby, you would take away everything good in my life. And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know, how do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I, how do I, how do I, without you? Oh my gosh. Without you, but you wanna be mine. Maybe I don't want to come. You are my love, my soul. Hi, Daddy. You call? Okay. I'm here in the line. Yeah. You have to boil it first. Just put get the big pan down on the thing there and put some water and put it on the higher. I you can cook it in the microwave if you want, but much better to cook it on the boiling water. That kind of hot dog is needs to boil it and then do it on the. Yeah. What you're gonna do is you have to put boil first, and then after it boiling, you have to take off drain the water, and then soak it with small oil in it until feel if no, I'm fine. I can cook some spam or something. I have to cook the mungo bean. I boiled it and I did not cook it yet. I was very busy. I was washing the beddings, and I fixed it. So I did not start. I gather all the stuff for the boxes, but I did not start to put it yet. So but I gather all. I'm gonna clean that other room, so you know that other room there, that's a lot of. We can you help me carry that big bag upstairs? That's the bag. Oh, I have to check that one, because I think that's the bag that we're gonna bring it to that thing. Though what we have to only bring big bag, or what, big traveling bag, or only we have to separate it, you, Jacob, and I. uh, Much better to separate it, right? At least you know what you're gonna wear and something day by day. Okay, I will do that. So that's a medium case, the medium traveling bag. Yes. Plastic cup. What do you mean? Big the oh, and then oh, we use my car, right? I thought you want to use this car. Oh, it's up to you if you want to use the truck. You know, I don't care. Either way. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, much better the truck too. But I can't drive. Oh, anyway, Kude is with you. So, no, I don't want that. I'm not familiar in Florida. So, I'm not going to promise to drive there, you know. But it's a, but it's okay if you know, it's if you are comfortable with the truck, that's better. Oh yeah, and you have that steering thing in the truck, right? Oh no? Oh no. Because this one you can sit it driving by itself. Yeah. But it's up to you in a way. The container that you said much better too, you know. It's easy to look your clothes in it. One container is enough. Mm-hmm. We don't need jacket anyway there. I'm gonna bring one for me. You know, jacket, not heavy jacket, light jacket, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. They can ride. Mm. Ah, so they take like that? The big container? Mm. That's a good idea. Mm. Mm. Maybe Cody gonna buy out, gonna bring. Don't tell Cody about that. Maybe he's going to bring another box too. You know. Oh, so, anyway. But when we go to you know, when we go to the rides or something, do we can fit all of us on the truck? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, because we don't have space. Yeah. Okay. No, it's fine. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 You're not going to leave Jacob with him, right? He must always ride with us. Job? Is his job? Oh, what is that? Oh, yeah. But I'm pretty sure when he saw that his brothers is still out there, they can ride, and we're looking at them, watching them sitting down in the corner or something. But I'm sure he don't want to go home when if his brothers was still in that area. I'm pretty sure. Oh, really? So you're on way home? Okay. Yeah, it's hot. I'm not wearing a jacket anyway. It's hot now. I hope this is it doesn't change like this now until the end of the month. You think we have still a bad storm or something? The Valentine's Day was doing good. Look, the weather was so nice. Everybody can go out and celebrate the Valentine's Day. Oh, really? Did you say it? Oh, that's tonight. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Anyway, Joanne called me. She greet happy Valentine's, and I greet them back. And we're talking. Anyway, I'm going to ask you, when we go to the Mammoth Cave, when we go to the Mammoth Cave, do they have an entrance fee? Oh, so you have to pay first? Or you can pay it when you go to the counter. Yeah, because Joanne wants to go there for do you remember that there is a ride out, boat ride? The boat ride. They have the boat ride, but we decided not to ride it at that time. Remember? We only goes to the cave, inside the cave. Yeah. And then we did not ride on the boat. But some people line up for the boat ride. Joanne wants to do that. How many hours the drive goes to Cave from here? 6 hours, right? I am right. I tell her. But she check it from her house is only 2.5 hours, I think. Or 3 hours, yeah. Yeah. But no, not this time. We're planning on um who's that daughter of Paul? Brenda. Brenda is the one who tell her that she asked me if I've been there. I said yes, I've been there, but I never tried to ride a boat ride. I just only on the inside a cave, and you can, you know. Okay. Bye. Hi, Sihan. Thank you, thank you. Sorry, I was talking. Every day, babe, your Lover's Day, full of love to you, your family, your loved ones. I wish you have a time full of love from me, lots of love. Thank you. Same to you. Happy Valentine's to you and to your family as well. God bless. I tried to. Oh, yeah. Some driver there was full asleep. Sometimes before I couldn't love you more. Um, Leah. What's the wake up and hear the heart's beat? What I am glad in most every way. Ask me what you want to know. Oh my god!
I got Prime!
You have Prime!
Mom, can we buy more Prime?
Prime of what?
Prime Hydrate.
Really? Can I see?
My Prime fell out!
Go! Where is it? Take a look, maybe it fell down. Take a look there! Go back! It's okay, we're gonna buy. Take a look. Why you put it in your pocket? Take a look, maybe it fell down to the thing. How big is that Prime? Oh. You want to check there? Maybe take a look there down. Maybe it fell down. Go. Down. It's okay, mommy. We're going to buy you something. I'll bring you that. So you did not bring anything for you. Is that okay?
No, I have my phone. I look it up so I can get something.
Oh, yeah. When we go to Sam's, let me know.
It's not at Sam's, it's at Walmart.
It's on Walmart?
Look for the hydration drink, not the energy.
Okay. You can go with me.
Can we go right now?
That is on the way. You have Prime. That's Prime too.
No, but no, the other one was a rare version.
Alright?
Yes, it's new.
Take a look. Maybe you feel down there. Maybe it's inside.
It is.
Do you have name in it?
No.
Oh, you must have put name in it. How about the cards? Did you give the cards for your teacher too? Huh? I have something for your teacher tomorrow. I forgot to send her something. Maybe you put it inside. You did not put it inside, Mommy?
It's out. It's in the hallway.
Hallway. You can't get it tomorrow?
No.
I'm sorry, boy. What kind of Prime is that? Check it. Huh? You what? Mental? You don't like mental.
Meadow.
Did you find it? Did you found it?
Wait, you want me to look it up?
Yeah, look up. I'm sorry, Mom. Next time you have to make sure that it's in there. You always run fast, and then sometimes everything fell off. Is your water bottle there, or you forget? Is your water bottle there, or you forget?
Here is it. This one.
Oh, this is like a lime. Oh, I mean white stuff. Yeah, the coconut drinks. Yeah, there is a lot in the Walmart.
No, this is the Prime. This is different.
But I don't know if you like that. I think that tastes different. Why you don't want to have a blue one? The blue? It's better to buy the drinks that you like it, because that's expensive. Buy it for drinks. You drink something and then put it in the cooler. That
Actually, if we're driving there, before we go to Florida, let's get the energy drink one.
yeah, huh?
They have more. Because the energy drinks won't have like caffeine.
Yeah, you don't need to have cook.
No, I can just like drink like one a month.
The what?
I can drink one like a month.
Not the cafe?
Because the energy drink one,
Yeah.
because a kid died because he drank like 20 bottles.
Are you okay? I think Daddy's here now. Let me say Happy Valentine's, Mommy. Are you having fun? So everybody bring cards too or not? Huh? What? What do you mean? How actual? Tita Joanne, cold. Great happy Valentine's. Dad is here. Toot, 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 toot. Okay. Maybe they're gonna give you that tomorrow. What do you think? Huh? I'm so sorry, Mommy. That is there. Bye-bye. Alright. That's right.